Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, nut-free, flourless, eggless, high-protein, super healthy, super quick and easy apple pie made with chickpeas, but tastes so good, ready to enjoy in just 10 minutes. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw a drained and rinsed can of chickpeas into a powerful blender. Along with a cup of dates, half a cup of ground flaxseed, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a cup of plant-based milk. Next, blend it until smooth. Pour it into a microwave-safe bowl, along with some apple slices in between. And nuke it for 10 minutes or until done. Now enjoy a super quick and super healthy apple pie! Thanks for watching!